time for deep reflection. That's what I did the last 2 days. Writing, reviewing, going inwards. And if you feel called to do that too, but not sure how, I will be holding a session online for us to connect and to guide you through some steps so you can give thanks, you can review your year, and you can also step into forgiveness, because that is where you find freedom. And yeah, maybe connect with the beautiful cacao plant, beautifully gentle cacao plant, to open your heart and to finish 2022 in a different way than you may have been doing with other years, and calling in 2023 to be set and connecting to joy, to love, and to the light. The details are below the video, and I invite you to come along. Much love to you all, much joy, much light. Namaste.